Meet Alex and Amy. They have 2 kids, a dog, and a beautiful house. Inside the house, her kids always sit and play on the floor, and the dog licks everything, which exposes them to bad bacteria. Same goes to the kitchen where Amy cooks every day. And the bathroom too. Amy does not want to live in a house filled with germs. She wants something strong and powerful enough to kill the bad bacteria, yet non-toxic and safe enough for her kids and dog. Alex heard her cry for help, so he brought home OOMMI Probiotic Cleaners. OOMMI Probiotics are a powerful blend of beneficial microbes made using Japanese Micro-Biotechnology. They are our heroes. Let's look under a microscope. How do the probiotics work? Microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses adhere to surfaces and form a slimy layer called a biofilm. Biofilms are hard to remove and can cause risk to our health. OOMMI can remove biofilms, odors, and bad bacteria, and repopulate our surfaces with good bacteria to protect us from pathogens and viruses. It is also biodegradable and eco-friendly. Even the wastewater discharged to the pipes and drains will not pollute our rivers and oceans. The probiotics even continue to clean for days, saving Amy time and money. Amy can now sit back and relax, knowing the good will always conquer the bad as long as she has OOMMI. Be like Alex and Amy. Choose OOMMI Probiotics. Choose a safer and cleaner home for you and your family today.